Spring cleaning isn't just about cleaning out your closets, deep cleaning window sills, or sprucing up your flower beds. It's also about tidying up your online and financial accounts. Here are 4 quick things you can do to tidy up your MO Deferred Comp account. For starters, please set up your online user ID and password if you haven't done so already. Not only does this allow you to easily access your account, but it can also protect you and your savings from cyber attacks. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and update your personal information, like your mobile phone number and email address. Doing so automatically sets up multi-factor authentication and can also help keep hackers and fraudsters at bay. You should also review your beneficiary information while you're dusting off your account. It only takes 30 seconds to pull up your beneficiary information and another 5 minutes to make any needed changes. This quick process could save your loved ones years of legal trouble and heartache if something were to happen to you. If you need any help, our team of financial education professionals are thoroughly prepared to help you deep clean your retirement savings strategy, from accessing your retirement savings to reevaluating your investment strategy, and to helping you roll over outside retirement accounts into the MO Deferred Comp plan. The plan's experienced staff is here to help you. In just 30 minutes, you can have your MO Deferred Comp account spiffed up and ready for another year of retirement savings. What are you waiting for? Visit www.modeferredcomp.org to start your account spring cleaning.